Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide the tutorial on how to check Imei number on Redmi 13c device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, go ahead and open settings menu on your device. Well, after that here please press on about phone option. And then you can select details and specifications. Okay, and then in this section, please scroll a little bit and then press on status menu. Okay, and then here you can check your Imei number. Well, that's the tutorial on how to check Imei number on Redmi 13c device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.